When the temperature drops, staying warm isn't just about comfort. It's about reliability, efficiency, and safety. Propane heaters have become one of the most trusted heating solutions for homes, garages, workshops, outdoor spaces, and emergency use. They deliver powerful heat, work even when electricity isn't available, and are built to perform in harsh conditions. In this video, we're breaking down the top 3 propane heaters you can buy right now. We'll look at heating power, fuel efficiency, safety features, portability, and real-world performance, so you know exactly which one fits your space and your needs. Whether you're heating a small room, a large workspace, or staying prepared for winter outages, this list will help you choose a propane heater that delivers warmth you can count on. Let's get started. First on our list is the Boss Propane Heater, a powerful and portable heating solution built for life outdoors. Designed for camping, picnics, road trips, and off-grid adventures, it runs on a 1-pound propane tank, making it lightweight and easy to carry, while the push-to-start piezo ignition ensures quick, hassle-free startup. With 3 adjustable heat levels and output reaching up to 12,000 BTU, you get flexible heating for different conditions. Safety is covered with tip-over protection, and the long-lasting LED lighting adds visibility during night use. Combined with quick heating performance, the Boss Propane Heater is a dependable companion for cold outdoor moments. Second on our list is the Mr. Heater F232000 Portable Buddy Heater, one of the most trusted propane heaters for outdoor and indoor safe use. Built for campers, workshops, garages, and emergency heating, this heater delivers reliable warmth exactly when you need it. It runs on a 1-pound propane cylinder and provides adjustable heat output, making it easy to control comfort levels in different environments. The push-button ignition allows quick startup without matches, while the radiant heating system delivers instant, direct warmth. Safety is a top priority with automatic low-oxygen shutoff and tip-over protection, giving you peace of mind during use. Compact, efficient, and dependable, the Portable Buddy Heater is a go-to choice for safe, powerful heat anywhere. Last on our list is the Fit First Portable Propane Heater, a powerful 9,000 BTU outdoor heater built for serious cold weather situations. Whether you're camping, ice fishing, hunting, or dealing with a power outage, this heater delivers fast, dependable warmth when it matters most. Designed for tents, patios, RVs, garages, and outdoor shelters, it features 2 adjustable heat settings, letting you balance comfort and fuel efficiency with ease. The radiant heating system pushes warmth forward, quickly heating your space instead of wasting energy. It runs on a 1-pound propane cylinder, making it highly portable and perfect for off-grid use. Compact yet powerful, it's easy to carry, set up, and operate wherever adventure or emergencies take you. For safety, it includes oxygen depletion sensing and finishes strong with built-in tip-over protection, automatically shutting off if the heater is knocked over, giving you reliable heat with peace of mind. And that wraps up our top 3 propane heaters built for warmth, reliability, and outdoor performance. Whether you need quick heat for camping, dependable warmth for emergencies, or a portable solution for patios and road trips, each of these heaters is designed to deliver powerful heating, safety, and convenience when you need it most. Check the links in the description to find the right heater for your needs, stay warm out there, and be ready for any adventure or cold night ahead.